Hey guys, Dr. Brown here with Kubo Math, and tonight we're looking at the integral of secant squared x dx. Now this is in a series of videos, if you've been following us along, where we're looking at a trig function raised to the second power and taking that integral, then the integral of that same function, trig function, raised to the third power, and then we're saying, hey, can we take that trig function to the nth power, come up with a formulation, and then challenge ourselves by taking that formulation, plugging in n equal 2, see if we get this results, the same results, and then n equal 3 and get the results of our integral of that trig function raised to the cube power. Okay, so tonight, integral of secant squared x. This won't take long if you know the trick. Okay. All right, so what is secant? It's 1 over cosine, right? So we have 1 over cosine squared x dx. This is the trick. Sine and cosine are big buddies. I'm trying to take the integral of some cosine function without having a sine function in there. Now if it was just cosine x, okay, we can do that. But we have something I would have to do a chain rule on. Okay, so if I were to take this and multiply it by 1, which I'm going to call my 1 over sine squared x, 1 over sine squared x. So 1 over sine squared over 1 over sine squared x, that's just multiplying 1 over cosine squared x times 1. What is 1 over sine squared? 1 over sine squared is cosecant squared. So I have a cosecant squared x for this. Now I have cosine squared x over sine. So cosine over sine is cotangent. So I have cotangent squared x dx. Now the cool thing is cotangent and cosecant are big buddies also. All right, so let's let u equal cotangent x. du equals minus cosecant squared x dx. If I isolate and divide both sides by cosecant squared x, divide this by minus cosecant squared x, that's so sloppy. Cosecant squared x, divide that on both sides, so this one cancels obviously, and that equals dx. So du over minus cosecant squared x equals dx. All right, so let's integrate that. I have the existing cosecant squared x, and then have that over u, which is cotangent, so u squared, and then I'm replacing dx with du, so du over minus cosecant squared x. You'll notice this cosecant, that cosecant squared cancel, but I still have this negative here, so I have the negative of integral of u to the second negative 2. I'll bring that to the numerator, du. All right, we're going to integrate that, so we add 1, which would give me a negative 1 divided by negative 1. These negatives cancel each other, so I end up with u to the negative 1, which is just 1 over u. Okay, and that's what? 1 over cotangent. 1 over cotangent x. Well, what is 1 over cotangent? Tangent. So I end up with tangent x plus c. That is the integral of secant squared. Now we already knew the derivative of tangent is secant squared. So we knew we should come out with this if we've done our homework correctly. Okay, why are we doing this? All right, together we're trying to build a better tomorrow and do that through math. All right, that's all for now. Keep studying and watch for the next video where we'll look at secant cubed x and then later secant to the nth power. All right, we'll talk to you later. Take care.